Sammy the Snake goes sss. Sammy the Snake is slithering through the sunflowers, enjoying the sights and smells of the growing plants around her. Snakes like Sammy eat bugs. When Sammy sees a big, juicy bug, she slithers back and forth toward it, hissing, sss. Ah! Sammy missed the bug. Her snack flew away. Disappointed, Sammy slithers away, hissing, sss. She will have to try again soon. Can you pretend to slither like Sammy? Make your fingers like a snake tongue and move your hand in a slithering motion and say, sss. The letter S can make lots of different sounds. In our story, the letter S goes S like snake,